nobody, bro.
No, nobody, bro. Like, come on. It's a Roblox. It's a Roblox basketball game that acts like it's 2K. You think we gonna take the time out to do that, bro?
I'll go hop on a fake Madden game before I do that.
Amigos capturing zone C.
I'm about to hop on right now.
Madden?
This bullshit.
Counter zone contested.
I swear to God, I never did that move before. What is that move? But yeah, that's my cup of tea right there.
What, the move you did?
Yeah, I don't even know what I did. I did a fade. Like, what?
Side step fade? Never did that.
That shit. I did that. What the hell? Wait, what? Look at my arm.
Counter zone is ours now.
But after that next game, what happened after that? We're gonna go back to
The enemy is attacking zone B.
We have been in there for like an hour.
That's what.
Counter zone contested.
It's really easy to score on him, bro. Please score on him.
Yeah, dude.
What is your layup? Your layup is shit.
Another one.
Probably in the ball. Probably in the ball.
Like a 63.
Yeah, you just don't lay the ball up, bro. Dump the ball next time, too.
That is just trying to hop step. That's the only reason I'm getting better. Nah, that's really the only reason I'm getting every time. It's kind of funny. Okay.
The enemy is attacking zone B.
Oh man.
You start sighing on the game, you get bored. You start sighing on, oh man, yeah, you're you need gum. Or you're getting tired of cooking. That's what I do.
God, I am, bro. Boy, I actually am tired.
Amigos capturing zone C. Zone contested.
Niggas, y'all, bro, I don't think I can hear this build. This build don't never let me do it.
I made them niggas. I made them niggas patty cake, bro.
Did you not see bro sliding across the court on his back? Like,
Is it STDs? No, ASK on STDs. What? Oh, ASTD. What is that? What does that mean? ASTD. You're older than us. No. I tried that same move that I did last time. My bad, sorry. I'm on it. Like, yeah. Over the wrong.
Changing mags.
what?
We're trying to take C.
Need a medic.
It's okay. Yeah, that's how you
Now, all zones occupied. We're role models to guerrilla niñas and niños everywhere. Our side's winning! Don't let up! Zone contested. We've taken out the zone. Feel free to celebrate.
Or roll, ain't it? Or roll. Ain't it? Finish again.
Super Bowl. Mid.
Alright, so there's nothing then.
You need
what the stage should look like. Like, this is what, like, I I ain't talking about like the animation, like not the animation, but like the lagginess, right? I'm talking about like the court itself, like the map.
Today you want a battle.
I only played like for a little
La
bit.
revolución
I
está
only
almost
played
finished.
for like a little bit on that build.
This is a good build.
I want to take a break right now. Playing this game for like what, an hour?
You ain't get money, nigga, you fighting, nigga, you capping. Me and my bro, I can fucking tell. Drake gon' send his ass to hell. Leasing pace off in him.